How to get more views on Etsy starts with one reality check. A great product means nothing if no one sees it. Visibility has to come first. Here's what threw me off when I started selling. I thought Etsy worked like any other marketplace where you just list your stuff and hope people find it. Turns out Etsy works more like Google. Every time someone searches, your listing either shows up or it doesn't. And whether it shows up depends on how well you match what that person typed in. Think about your own shopping behavior for a second. You search for something specific, scan the first page of results, maybe check page 2 if you're feeling generous. That's it. If your listing isn't there, you might as well not exist. So when someone searches, Etsy immediately scans your listing in 4 places: your title, your tags, your category, and your attributes. If these don't line up with what they typed, you're out. It's that simple. Exact matches get priority, broad matches get leftovers, and no matches get nothing. Those long, specific phrases that seem too detailed, they often convert better because they match exactly what buyers want. But getting matched is just the entry fee. Etsy still has to decide which matched listings deserve the top spots. 7 different factors influence where you land, and honestly, most sellers have no idea these even exist. The relevancy part makes sense to everyone. Match the search, get considered. Miss it, get ignored. Pretty straightforward. What surprises people is how much their listing quality score matters. Every click, favorite, and sale tells Etsy whether people actually like what they see. Poor photos or crazy pricing hurt this score. Better visuals and smart pricing help it. Here's what most sellers get wrong about the recency factor. They know updates help, but they make tiny, meaningless changes, hoping to trick the system. The algorithm looks for substantial improvements, not cosmetic tweaks that don't help anyone. Etsy gives newer or recently updated listings a small boost to test how they perform. Now, I refresh my listings regularly, but I make sure the updates actually improve something. Your customer experience score reflects how trustworthy Etsy thinks you are. Bad reviews, unresolved cases, unclear policies all drag this down. The sellers who reply quickly and handle problems tend to rank better over time. Shipping price has more impact on ranking than people think. Etsy favors listings with free shipping in search results. The smart approach is checking what competitors charge for shipping, then either offer free shipping by building it into your price or charge at the low end of their range and absorb the difference. You stay competitive without losing money. Language matching plays a bigger role than most sellers expect. If someone browses Etsy in Spanish, they're more likely to see listings from Spanish-speaking shops, even with auto-translation running. Write in whatever language feels natural for your shop and let Etsy handle the rest. The personal shopping habits factor is the one that keeps me humble. Etsy customizes results based on what each individual person clicks and buys. 2 people searching for the exact same thing might see completely different first pages. You can't control this, but better engagement spreads your reach over time. Looking at what you can actually influence, keyword placement gives you the most bang for your effort. Those long-tail phrases that describe exactly what someone wants work better than generic terms everyone uses. Your first photo carries massive weight in search results. People scroll fast, so that image needs to stop them. The product has to be the star. All those fancy props and backgrounds just distract from what people came to see. Pricing strategy affects everything from initial clicks to final sales. Too high and people scroll past. Too low and they assume poor quality. I test different price points and watch how click rates change. And that free shipping thing, build it into your price rather than adding it at checkout. Regular updates keep triggering that recency boost, but make the changes count. Swapping out a photo for a better angle or rewriting a confusing description helps. Changing one word in your title just to trigger the algorithm doesn't. Getting external traffic to your listings helps more than most people realize. When I share new products on social media or mention them in my email newsletter, that initial burst of activity tells Etsy these listings deserve attention. Those early favorites and sales create momentum. Your shop needs to feel cohesive when people browse multiple listings. Same style, same tone, same level of detail across everything. Scattered approaches make potential customers lose confidence. The biggest conversion killer I see is unclear information. People have questions about size, materials, shipping time, return policies. Answer these upfront in your descriptions rather than making them ask. The faster you eliminate their concerns, the faster they buy. Some factors stay completely outside your control, and accepting this saves a lot of frustration. Individual shopping patterns mean personalized results for everyone. Algorithm updates happen without warning. Geographic and device differences influence what people see. Language preferences affect rankings. Fighting these variables wastes energy. Strong fundamentals in keywords, photos, and customer service keep you visible regardless of what changes behind the scenes. Master these basics, and you're building something sustainable, not just chasing quick view spikes. Etsy rewards consistency over time. Getting views is just the starting line.